kitty cats. So, been having kind of a rough day, but feeling a little bit better. Sorry about the lighting, but it is that time of day where the sun is going to be going down soon, so the lighting gets weird. I would have waited till later, but then my makeup won't be as good. I don't know. I'm just dealing. I'm okay. I just had a bad arthritis day. It was really, really bad this morning. Like, everything hurt. My wrist is still pretty bad. If I try to lift anything, like, I mean, this is fine. This right is fine. Like, I can feel a little bit of pressure, but it's not bad. But if I try to lift anything like heavier than that, it ends up like really just causing me a lot of pain. Like the car door, opening the car door was really hard and painful. But you know what? I'm gonna get through this. Next week I'm gonna call the rheumatologist and see if I can get an appointment so that I can start taking Humira. So, because that would be really awesome to start taking that. Because we were going to before, but then I had the problem with, you know, with the infections that kept happening, and now that's been taken care of with the surgery. So here's hoping I can take the Humira and get through this. I do still have a dental issue, but it's not infected, so that won't be a problem. And hopefully in May I'm gonna get that taken care of, or at least looked at and decided how it can be taken care of, because our health insurance doesn't cover oral surgery, so it's kind of an issue. But anyways, I'm enjoying my Sprite. I don't often get Sprite. It's not usually my thing. I get it when I'm in a restaurant and I'm not ordering alcohol. I get Sprite, usually. Although these days I get like an iced tea or lemonade, but Sprite used to be like my thing. And a lot of times at the movies, I'll get Sprite. I forgot what it tastes like, honestly. It's pretty good. I grabbed it at the Dollar Tree because I was getting a few things in there, and I was feeling a little nauseous, and I realized it was because I hadn't eaten or drinking anything in a long time, and it was either this or cherry cola, and I chose Sprite. So anyways, we're gonna do my Ipsy. That's what we're doing. So fun. This is gonna be a little difficult opening this, I think. No, pretty easy. Hurts a little bit, but not too bad. Please remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that notification bells if you want notifications. So, and please share. I'm trying to hit 1,000. I'm trying to hit 1,000 by summer, and I still got a ways to go. So please share me, try and help me out. Thanks. So, I really like the theme this month. The social butterfly. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And then it's got like, it says a bunch of silly things. So it's cute. If you can see that, there we go. Let's try to focus on one of the faces. That's really funny. And see the bag, it's so cute. Like, I totally think I'm gonna switch, because I always keep like one of these makeup babs in my purse, and I think I'm gonna switch because this is really cute for summer. Something smells really good in here too. I love the butterflies. I like the little corner details where it's like a metallic, and the back is like this grayish lavender color. I really am enjoying it very much. And the lining is also that grayish lavender. It's really cute. So anyways, what do we got here? We've got a mask. Yay, I can do Mask Monday. Smoothing Radiance Mask. Doesn't say much about it because it's in another language. So that's all we know. It's a smoothing radiance mask. I assume it's the usual, yeah, it looks like a mask that you would put on and then rinse off after like 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. That's usual. So, I love the way it's like in a different language. It's like, I have no idea what this means. Gotta not read the directions. We've got a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Stockholm. I actually have this already. So, and I didn't get it from Ipsy though, so it's not like I'm getting something from Ipsy that I already got before. But it's something I already have, because you know I have a lot of NYX lipsticks. And so I'm gonna put it away for a giveaway. So I've been putting a lot of stuff away for a giveaway lately, because I've been getting a lot of things that I already have. But not from the same company or anything. Here's another thing. I have so much lip balm already. Hemp's Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm, enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. This is probably a really, really good lip balm too, but I'm also going to put that aside. What else do we got here? Another thing. I have so many tweezers. It's not funny. But I don't think I've ever gotten one from Ipsy before. It's just that I just have so many slanted tweezers. In fact, I think I've already have one that I'm doing for a giveaway. So, you know, whatever. Most of the stuff is going into giveaways this month. But you know what? I love the bag. I appreciate everything that, you know, I appreciate getting this mask. Although, I'm looking, I can see where the amount is. And the amount that's in there is actually only up to here. Which kind of sucks, but that's what usually happens. It says that it is 0.5 full ounces. That's really not that bad. I mean, it's a sample of a mask, so you could use this like quite a few times probably. This is Nomad Stockholm Midnight Sun, a illuminated highlighting powder. Okay, I don't have this, and I always like another highlighter. And I appreciate the other things too. This isn't like a situation where I'm like, oh, this is a terrible bag. That's not it at all. It just happens to be things that I already have because I bought them or from other companies, or I just have a lot of that specific thing. I do have a lot of highlighters too, but in my opinion, I can never have too many highlighters. This is a very small sample of a highlighter though. It's very tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And then when you open it up, it's even tinier. Look at that. Can we focus on it? There we go. So let's see. Is it pretty? Ooh, you know what? It is buttery. It is super buttery. Which I really appreciate. Oh, and it's pretty glowy too. Look at that. You see how glowy that is? I always forget to wipe off where I put my foundation. But look at how glowy that is. That is really nice. It's so buttery. Oh my goodness. I like that. I've been liking that. I did get some things from the dollar store so that I could actually reorganize some stuff. I have so many highlighters and blushes that there's not enough room. Even after I decluttered, there's just not enough room. And I'm always getting more of those things. Just samples of them even. So yeah, I needed something. So I'm gonna do this for Mass Monday, I think. Maybe not, because I was gonna do a Mass, I don't know. No, I can do Mass Monday next week with this, is what I'll do. Cause today, the day that I'm recording this is not the day this is gonna go up. So, and I don't want to do a Mass Monday before the Ipsy comes out, because then it's gonna be like, oh, you already saw this. So we're gonna hold on to that until after, and do that. So yeah, we got a little mask, and that was my Ipsy bag. Which, not too much going on in there, but I mean everything was nice. The only thing I really even just like tweezers really. To me, that's just, I don't know, maybe some people would like to get that in their bag, but for me, it's a little silly. And I already have so many tweezers, because I think last month I got a set of tweezers in my Glossybox. And then I won a set of tweezers a few months ago. I won a Bethany Faye had a giveaway, and I won it, and it was like lashes, and it came with lash glue and tweezers. So I have so many tweezers. And an offer that I got from Ipsy once had tweezers in it. So that wasn't the bag, that was an offer I bought because I wanted the lashes, but they came with tweezers. Like a lot of these things, if you win lashes, usually tweezers come too. So I end up with all these tweezers. So yeah, I'm gonna end up putting that in a giveaway eventually. When I'm able to do a giveaway again. I'm starting to stock up on some things for it. Only by chance though. So yeah, that is what we got for you today. So once again, I'm just gonna remind you to please share and subscribe. And that's it. So love you guys. Bye, kitty cats.